Hello! Today I'm going to show you exactly how we can automate your own personal business messages and DMs on Instagram to get more leads and more people buying. So let's just jump straight into it. So here you can see my business page, Content Tech Solutions. I'm going to send in a message from my personal account and it will just recognize it as some random account. So let me just type a message, right? Hey, I love your content. What do you guys do? Exactly. Now, we're gonna wait a bit and get a reply from this bot in just a minute. And here we have a direct reply. So, thank you for your kind words. Content Tech Solutions specializes in AI automation to boost revenue of coaching in private communities with various AI-powered systems such as AI assistants, for products and coaching programs, automated comment replies, Instagram DM automation, etc. So, this is actually a conversational bot, so it does see its chat history as if you were actually having a conversation with a real human. So let's ask it, a question just related to what it's said before, so you can actually see it just has the history of the entire conversation at its fingertips. So let's ask it can you go into detail on your first offer? On your first offer that you just spoke about. So that would be AI assistance for product language programs. There we go. Alright, so we just got a reply from the bot again, and this is a couple, benefits of the AI assistance that we actually provide. So you can see here that the AI assistance for info products and coaching programs offers several benefits. It can be embedded into a website or WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. Here are some key benefits. They provide instant answers, personalized guidance, enhanced learning experience. They are a time saver, and also you can use it. AI assistant can be used in automation of messages and comments, as you're seeing here. So let me just dive into how it actually works and how I pulled this off. And also, one last thing. If you ask it, of course, to, for example, how do I buy this, right? He would actually send you a code to, a link to book a call with us, so you can directly speak to us about your needs. So let me ask it this question. And how do I buy that assistant? And there we go. And here you can see to purchase the AI assistant for info products and coaching programs. You can schedule a call directly with us. And here is the link to actually book the call. Our team will be happy to discuss your specific requirements and provide you with more information on pricing and the purchasing process. So let me break it down how it exactly works. So it uses two actually systems to pull this off. One is to actually capture a user's message, right? That is ManyChat. And second is to create a AI reply, which is Relevance AI. So let me dive into this. On ManyChat, right here you can see this is actually our chat history, right? In automations, I've put it here. It's on default reply. This is how it looks like. Let me break it down what it does step by step. So first, it captures a direct message, sets it to a variable, right? So you can access it later. Then checks if the user already has a running conversation or not. If he doesn't, then he adds a tag that he is running he's running a conversation already, so we can access the message history pretty much. Then makes an external request, an API request to Relevance AI to create the actual AI response. Then gets the actual reply and sends it to the user. Same thing right here, but instead of creating a new task, which you can see which the AI can has access to previous messages, or just update the already existing one because they already are running a conversation, so it exists for that user. And there are stored every single, message they've sent. So, let me just dive into how the AI actually generates the response. So, it uses, as I said, Relevance AI. And here I made my AI agent, Cognitive Solutions AI. Here, on this tab, right, you have a bunch of things, but one really important thing you need to update, apart from creating an agent and actually configuring it later, is the knowledge base. Because this is where, the bot will know what it's talking about. So for the knowledge base, what I put inside is the explanations of my products, which is comprised of 2 PDF files, and my website, which has all the info of who we are, etc. So let me just dive into what the assistant looks like on the inside. So this is pretty much the agent profile, agent description. Then you have, of course, core instructions. So this is pretty much how I've structured this bot, and this is the actual prompt ChatGPT will receive to generate a reply. Now, also, it uses tools, which is one thing I haven't dived. Also, you need to create that alongside with knowledge. So, tools here, I made a tool which is called Extract Data from CT, standing for Cognitive Solutions, or knowledge, where it will just extract, based from a prompt, right, from the user, will extract data, knowledge from my website and into PDFs I've inputted. Let me just break that down later. So, here in core instructions, I pretty much defined who gave context, defined its tone, and exactly the task it has to accomplish. Now, also what you want to do is give the tool of actually using the knowledge base you've inputted to the agent. How do you do that? Well, you put set a prompt like this. To answer the user's question, use the tool Extract Data from CT Knowledge. Still allows you to know the detail of Cognitive Solutions business. Now, to actually put like this exact, I would say, prompt, right? This exact text that allows you to reference a tool, you need to need to type slash, and here you have all the tools that the agent has access to. So here, that's the only tool the agent has access to. So that's about it. Now, let me dive into why exactly Relevance AI and how do you actually go about creating a tool to configure your own knowledge base. So, why Relevance AI? Because here you can actually see me testing this bot before. Here you can see our exact conversation before. So, here you can see my first comment. Hey, I love your content. What do you guys do exactly? And I've chose Relevance AI, as I said, because it can allow for multiple users a chat history. All these conversations are called tasks in Relevance AI. You can use them as histories of messages per user. So let's say every single task here will be a specific user asking your bot a specific question, and then having a conversation with that. So here we can see every single of our messages right here, and the responses from AI are stored in one task because it is one user. So there you go. Now, let me dive into how do you create a tool for your own agent. So let's open here into tools. I'm gonna run you through how my tool looks like. So let me click edit on Extract Data from CT Knowledge. Here you can actually see its knowledge it's using, which is CT product explanations and CT website info, which is the two the PDFs and my website. Second, user inputs, which you just configure to text input. Then I, named it message and message here for reference. That's the message from the user. Then use an LLM, right? So let's say it's GPT. And here is the exact prompt. This, of course, will be used alongside the agent configuration, right, which we have done before, which gave it the exact context, tone, and task. And here you can see this is the variable knowledge, right, which references this. And here is the variable message, which references the actual user's input and gives out, of course, the result. So let's test it, right? Let's say, what's an AI coach? Because this is one of our offers. So we run the tool, and here we can see that we have an actual reply, right? So this is how exactly you can automate your Instagram DMs to respond to leads automatically and get calls booked automatically hands off. And you can also track, the actual conversations per person and track also how many people converted, right, through looking at the actual conversations. So that will be about it. If you would want the same system made up for you and your specific offers and your specific situation, give us, one, you could message this bot at contextsolutions.fr on Instagram, or you could you could click the link in the pinned comment right below this video to book a call with us on our website, where we could speak about exactly your needs and exactly how this can be applied to you. So, this being said, thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see each other next time.